I ain't gonna work on this one today, because I know once I start working, I'm gonna get dusty. Just walking over here, I might get dusty. So I did get a word back from the powder coater that the brake caliper is gonna be back. So then I could go ahead and try to get them sent off and get rebuilt. Not been no update on this one in a while. No update on that one. I ain't did nothing to this one. But we finna go do something to this one. This one finna go off for a little while. Need to get it up and running just for this summer, so I can go ahead and sell it. I may just keep those tires on there and ride those tires and rims, and maybe put another tire and rim combo together. Just depends on what's the most affordable way and what's gonna bring the most value. I'm trying to go ahead and sell this one. And got this one out here right now. Finna put this one up, pull this one out. But it's all based off of the mechanic tell me to come on, man. Damn, I be on the raise. Hell. Oh, and it ain't nothing going on with this one either. Forgot about this one. Man, y'all know this Raptor, man. This the everyday. This Old Faithful right here, man. I guarantee I can crank this boy up probably right now. And that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna just crank up everything, because everything needs to be running. Oh, look at that. The lights come right on. Go ahead and just crank this one up. And jump in the truck, pull it out. That's what this video gonna be about right here. The old TRX450. If everything goes good, you know, I'm just recording this content, hoping that this is how it's gonna go. I did get this thing to kind of start up a little bit, but it was steady dying out. It was running, and then it would die out as soon as you get ready to put it in gear. So I could get it to start, get it to run and everything, but as soon as you hit it in the gear, you know what I mean? This thing really has potential to be something really nice. I just decided it was something I just wanted to just go ahead and enjoy this season a few times and post it for sale and just get it to a really nice point where it's undeniable, that it's worth what I'm asking for. I'm trying to get it to where it's an undeniable $6 grand. When you look at it, if you know what you're looking at, you need to immediately see that this quad is worth about $5,500, $6 grand. That's what I'm aiming for. 5,500 is really more realistic because of the things that's going to have to happen to make this bike really nice. It's definitely going to require some clutch work and some electrical wiring. It does have a different CDI box in it and some other various parts if the mechanics really put what they said they put in there. But y'all just stay tuned. So, whew, I'm out of breath, man. Got me up in here. Man, your boy putting in some work, but if this thing could run, all I know is I finally brought it to the right guy. If this thing is everything I'm hoping it to be, man, but y'all gotta stay tuned. I'm hoping that y'all like this type of stuff, dirt bikes, four wheels. I plan to give y'all as much of that drag racing, much of this performance stuff as I can. I'm trying to go crazy with the racing. It's just, it gets overwhelming saying it. It's just going through a lot with my mother, but I still gotta keep it pushing no matter what, you know what I mean? So y'all just stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, all that good stuff, man. Let's get back to it. So, yep, as y'all can see, that 2007 TRX450 If you know what that is, you know what that is. So, yeah. Got potential to be a really clean machine. I just been dealing with a lot of mechanics. I even think that's an FMF exhaust on this thing. It looks like a FMF, but man, I know once he detailing and everything, we'll be back in the game. So yeah, man, I got the cover for that. I do know that. I just need less wires, less confusion, and then I can work on the cosmetics, man. So up under here is all these wires. Hella wires, hella wires. Been spliced, butt welded, butt plugs out the wazoo. And I don't know. And like I see some wires dangling in there and everything. Ain't no telling. So yeah, man, I'm finna get out of here. Yes, sir. Last time y'all gonna see this one like that. So y'all remember this picture in this video if it's not running. My boy Kyle finna get it done. So I had to go and get them bumpers back. And I believe he got to press these control arms in. I mean these ball joints. Sorry, right there. Made in Taiwan, but you can see. So I got that black control arm, and I did pull one out. And these the uppers. Let me see. I was thinking about just going ahead and putting in a time lapse of me unveiling them, but I think this is me a little bit more interesting. It's a little bit harder, for sure. But that, and then you got the other part, that pink right there, and I think that black and that pink is gonna look amazing together. I'll just go ahead and go back with the one I already opened. I'm just real particular about my parts. The paper still is in there, but oh, that's it right there. That's how we coming from now on. We coming bright, we coming different. I got inspired by this dude, Scoot and Skittle. Y'all should check him out on YouTube. He got a really cool Banshee, and he's always building some cool stuff. He built some a Banshee for Kodak Black. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, that black gloss, and I think he got like a grease fitting in here. I believe that's how that goes. And the ball joints, I believe, goes in there. If it's some bolts that goes to it, I ain't got them. You know what I mean? Damn, maybe like it might. I hope he got them over there at the house. I ain't got them. Oh, there it goes. Is that in the bag? Let me see, y'all. I really don't know what's going on. Let me see. Okay. All right. No need to panic. They have the bolts in there. And with the nuts, you know, you gotta have that calcium nut and cotter pin. Man, so learning these parts has been crazy because I learned all this stuff when I was trying to drive 18-wheelers, which that never happened. You know, as y'all go back, y'all see I started school and then I just kind of just left y'all high and dry on it because I felt like not even discussing it no more. It was a waste of my time dealing with the school that I dealt with. And these the other parts, but you know, I did learn a lot while I was there at that time. But Like just understanding, even with this car restoration, what am I looking at? What is that? You know what I mean? As well as, you know, learning the collision business. I've learned a lot. So, and I acquired a lot of knowledge, you know, because when people cars be wrecked, you sometimes you got to put everything back together from suspension to brakes. A lot of stuff get messed up in those wrecks. It's not always just cosmetic. It could be a lot of mechanical. But this is the part that goes around the brake. Is pink as well. Y'all see when I was picking it up. And y'all can see through the plastic. I'm just having a hard time. It's not like it changed since I picked it up, but I'm finna send it off and it's gonna be the last time it's gonna be new. So might as well enjoy looking at it, rubbing it and doing everything, because all this stuff is gonna eventually see brake dust and dirt. I think that looks good. So I'm just gonna snap a couple pictures real quick. Yeah, man, but that's what we're working with, that black and pink. This is JSP's first reaction right here, folks. Y'all know?
I don't know, man. I mean, it works good. I just don't know about the color. Let me check out these calipers, man.
It's kind of bright.
I just want to see.
Oh, that one already unwrapped
Which
over
one?
there, man. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that one already unwrapped. Yeah, man.
It's
It's windy as shit. My mama liked the color. You know what I mean? So, hey, if I was gonna change the color, when my mama said she liked it, that was it. You know what I mean? That shit like radiating. That's the type of shit we need to produce, man.
She got some white or something.
White, but I'm doing plum on the Monte Carlo.
I'm saying, look at the color. It's like it's cool. I'm saying it's cool. It's like a white.
Oh yeah, a white base is real bright.
Yeah.
Yep. Because you know, even with powder coat, they sandblast it, they hit it with the color, and then they hit a clear. And then when they bake it with the clear on it, that's when the color pop out.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it'll go back to like bare metal after they lay the color. So they paint it pink, and then when they put the clear on it, it goes back to damn near bare metal.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm studying, bro.
Hey, that's how it works.
So, and these the control arms right here. They just did black gloss. I'm gonna grab all this stuff. And the control arms in there.
Just don't get my license plate. Niggas is hungry out here.
Man, you hear me? Hey, I just bought the rebuild kit from
Pieces here?
from O'Reilly's.
What's this?
That's the control arms. Let me see them. What you think about them? They just black. The other ones is like gray, and they like the bottom of the Jordan. They're alright. I think they're black and pink and a little bit of silver. I think it's gonna work good. Silver spring, shop, black strut. Yep. Alright, man. Thank you. Yep. Alright, so I didn't want to just leave this video like without having some kind of solution on it. I did drop the quad off. It's been really hard for me to create content with a lot of stuff going on. My mother passed Monday, Memorial Day. So I'm going through the grieving. It's Wednesday, and then tomorrow is my daughter's graduation. So I'm gonna go get a shave. I think I'm probably gonna keep this nasty little mustache for a little bit longer. I'm thinking about possibly twisting it up, but I may cut it on off. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut it down. I'm gonna let my barber make the decision. Probably cut it off. But my guy, he checked out that he got a chance to check out the TRX450, and he came up with some things that was wrong. I wrote them down because I wasn't gonna be able to read the text and do this video. But he wrote that the car was not fully assembled and wasn't put back together correctly. It wasn't all the way together. He said that the TPS sensor was removed. So the TPS sensor is the throttle position sensor. He told me that was something that was removed off the bike. Not sure what that was. He said that there was a bad seal on the slide. Not sure what that is, but it is what it is. And he said there was bad clutches on there. So he came up with the solution that we need to buy a few different parts, a few different things. First thing we need to buy was the Tusk clutch kit with springs that came up to $65. The throttle position sensor, it came up to $22. And he say the new OEM floating valve set, which was a total of $92.56. My grand total before taxes was $183. After the $15 tax and shipping and everything, it came up to a grand total of $198.33. This does not include his labor. On average, you're looking at, I don't even want to throw shop price out because shop prices range. I done heard it going from $60 to $75 an hour. Not sure what it's gonna cost me, but wherever it's gonna cost me, I'm gonna go ahead and pay it and just keep on moving forward, so I can go ahead and get this one back to the shop, and then I can start working on the cosmetics. He recommended I buy some new plastics for it. New plastics is gonna be about $500 or so, and some new tires. I want to ride it a few times before I sell it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get what I can get for this thing. Another set of tires, probably like another $400 or so. So I probably still need to spend probably like another $2,000. It is what it is. Damn near probably be breaking even, but I have the money in hand. Like I said, I had a 450 for a short period of time, and I had fun. That's if everything goes good. If I'm able to sell it, I'm pretty sure with committed racing, I'll be able to sell it probably a little bit more and get my money back. But y'all just gotta stay tuned, see how that goes.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like it, talking like it, moving like it, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like